Here we will write a Python program to check entered number is prime number or not using recursion. So first in comment line we will write. Then we will define one function check prime with two parameters num and another parameter I, which is initialized with 2. Then we will check if num equal to I, we will return true. Else if we will check n mod I equal to 0, we will return false. And we will call the function recursively. So return check prime with parameters num and I plus 1. And outside the function we will accept the number from the user. So n equal to int input enter number to check, and we will assign the value returned from the check prime to prime number. So prime number equal to check prime, and we will pass n as a parameter value. And we will check if prime number equal to true, we will print entered number comma n is prime number. Else we will print entered number comma n comma is not prime number. And we will execute it. I will give the number 7. It will print 7 is prime number. If I execute again, I will give value 4. It will print entered number 4 is not prime number. So here we have defined a function check prime with two parameters, the number and I, which is initialized with 2. Then we will check if number equal to I, we will return true, that is the entered number is prime number. Else we will check if number mod I equal to 0, we will return false, that is number is not prime number. If the number mod I is 0, that is the number is divisible by I, then it will not be a prime number, so we will return false. And outside the if function we will call the function check prime recursively, so we will return check prime with number and we will increase I to I plus 1.